Hi there. In this lecture, we're going to get familiar with NumPython. So the first object is to import NumPython. So you just type import and NumPython. Because we're going to type NumPython a lot because all the functions, all the variables we use will be in this library. So we might want to short this name a little bit. So let's give it a nickname. In Python, to give a nickname to a library, just use add. So np, that's for NumPython. All right. Let's execute this first. You can click on this run there. You can see it's successfully executed because there's no error, right? Now let's create an array. Let's name it A. All right. Now, if you don't understand what this function and this function means, it doesn't matter for now because we're going to talk about these functions in later lectures. The important thing here is with this command, we created an array and let's print it. Just put the variable name here and we'll automatically print it. Or you can do the formal way, just print A, right? And to execute this, you can see the array of A. Now, I want you to execute this with a much more convenient way. You don't need to click here every time. Actually, there's a shortcut key. You can press Control and Enter. Then it will be executed. This is much faster than use your mouse to click on this button here. All right. So this is our array A. It looks like this. It has 3 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because we defined it here. You see, 3 rows and 5 columns. Now, I want to introduce to you some fundamental attributes of an array in NumPython. So first, you can get the number of dimensions of an array. So for A, you type A dot and ndim. Obviously, ndim is for the number of dimensions. That's right. Now press Ctrl and Enter to execute these. And you can see there are 2 dimensions in this array. Is that correct? Yes, because you see, there's rows and there's columns. There's 2 dimensions. Excellent work. Another useful one is to get the shape of an array. So A dot, guess what? Just shape. That's right. So this is the shape of the array. Execute these, and you can see it's a tuple, right? 3 and 5. So this says you have 2 dimensions, and the shape attribute tells you you have 3 rows and 5 columns. That's good. The next one is the size of an array. You can just type a.size for the size. This will gives you the number of elements in the array. Let's execute these, and you can see there are 15 elements. So 3 rows and 5 columns. So 3 by 5 is 15. That's correct too. So basically, this is some of the attributes that you can use. There's more, certainly, but these 3 is the most useful one. So you might want to get familiar with these first. And in the following lectures, we're going to talk about more detailed topics and introduce more functions. So I will see you there. Bye.